For Ford, it was a bit of a bumpy road last quarter. Shares of the automaker dropped 4% today after it reported a third quarter profit that was down more than 50% from a year ago. The profit of more than $1 billion was a little better than Wall Street expected, but not good enough to ease concerns about Ford's future and the launch of the new F-150 pickup. Phil LeBeau has more.
Ford CEO Mark Fields called the drop in third quarter earnings a pit stop, a brief hit to the bottom line before the automaker starts a critical run into 2015.
The business has been affected by a number of adverse conditions in terms of external factors and, of course, given our exposure to every place in the world.
While Ford's losses in Europe increased, in part due to a weak economy and falling sales in Russia, it's what's happening back here in the U.S. that worries investors. Primarily, will the launch of Ford's new F-150 pickup be a rocky one, or will it go smoothly? The F-Series is Ford's bread and butter model. It's estimated the company makes $8,000 to $10,000 in profit off of every F-Series it sells. And last quarter, Ford sold fewer models of the popular pickup. That's the main reason profits stalled in North America. The slowdown in sales is because Ford shut down its Dearborn truck plant for 5 weeks to retool it and get it ready to build the new F-Series, which features lightweight aluminum alloy panels. It's a radical departure from the current F-Series built with steel panels. Ford says the change will be worth it when people finally get their hands on the new and much more fuel-efficient F-Series.
We've launched the vehicle in terms of production, mass production, and we're starting to go up that acceleration curve. So everything looking good, and we're tremendously excited to get that product out to customers before the end of the quarter.
We won't know until early next year if the new F-Series is a hit with truck buyers. If it is, 2015 could be a year when Ford starts to rev up its profits again. Phil LeBeau, Nightly Business Report, Chicago.